Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's QQ Vincent. Now this finally arrived. It is the Pink Fantasy 2023 Season's Greeting. Now, I know 2023, half of 2023 is already over, and I technically ordered this in November of last year, and it took 8 months to arrive. That's unfortunate, but I've ordered the tier where it came with the digital calendar, and they actually started the calendar, I think in July or something. So that's good. Oh, it comes with a note. So apparently I think a lot of Lovitz are getting their season's greetings, and it seems like Arang's the one that's been packing these. So let's see here. And here we are. Okay, so let's just check this note real quick. I believe it's from Arang, yeah. My Hangul, okay, I study Korean, but it's like I'm not that up there yet, but I think it's Vincent, hi, I'm Arang. I need to make sure what this says. Maybe I'll put the translation down below to see what she wrote me here. But that's cute. You know, Arang being a great leader and packing all these. Okay. I don't know what to look through first. Okay, let's just look through the calendar real quick. So 2023, even though the year is almost over. Look at the members. OT8. It's been a while since we've seen all the members. Oh, it's this way. So it starts in June. Yachan and Sia. So the picture is this way. Hisun and Miku. Oh, the background's so cute. Send them in this school outfit. Sia, August. Her birthday's coming up. September. Oh, look at them. October is Miku. Yachan in November. Do they even list it out here too? Yeah, Yachan's birthday. Oh my gosh. December in their Christmas outfits. And then a new year of January in 2024. We're in the future, guys. February, Daewon and Momoka. Arang and Hodin. April. May. And is that it? No, there should be one more. Oh no, that's it. And then Pink Fantasy. And so basically, yeah, this calendar props up like how a typical season's greeting calendar should prop up to, you know, like this. I don't know if you guys can see it like that, but you know, calendar, typical calendar. Like if you guys buy season greetings from your other groups, it's like that. And what else do we have here? have, what is this one here? A poster? Just like the same one on the cover, the calendar. And let's go with the photo prints. Day 1, Sia, Ye-chan, oh, that turtleneck, Haden, Harang, Momoka, Miku, Hisan, cute. Okay. The next photo prints, I think these are, looks like Christmas. Day 1, ah, so cute. Oh my god, Sia. Yeah, Chad. What's that pose? Haden. Oh my gosh, Arang. Momoka, so cute. Miku. Hisan, cute. Okay, now we have, it comes with a sticker. Now, photo cards. This one is not, I have to cut it. Day 1, Pink Fantasy, Sia, Ye-chan, Haden, Arang, Momoka, Miku, Hisan, cute. Oh, I mixed up the order. Christmas 1. Day 1, cute. Sia, cute. Ye-chan. Haden. Arang. Momoka. Miku. Hisan, cute. Alright. Now, the Polaroids. Sia, they're signed to your name. Ye-chan, blonde Ye-chan. Haden. Arang. Oh, Momoka. Miku. Oh, Hisan. Cute. Well, that was it for the season's greeting of I guess halfway of 2023 to 2024. It's a bummer that it took a while for it to come, but you know, they're fairly not a big company, and if Arang's really the one that's been packing all these, then maybe that's why it was taking a while for it to come. But yeah, these are so cute, and thank you for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.